Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find UPI ID on Google Pay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply do this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Google Pay app from your home screen. So once you tap open your Google Pay app, you will end up in its official homepage, which probably looks like this. So once you're here, you can simply find your UPI ID right in your homepage as well. But some people don't find it, so all they can do is simply go to their profile located on the top right hand side of the corner. And once you're in the profile page, you can simply find the option called bank account. So simply go and tap on the bank account, and there will be the linked bank to your Google ID. So once you tap on the payment methods and select your Google Pay linked bank, you can simply tap on it and there will be a section called manage UPI IDs. So right under there will be your UPI ID used on your Google Pay. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.